Hey guys, welcome. I'm Parshvika. Welcome to the channel where we talk a lot about make money online as a creative person, as an artist. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do the research on Zazzle. I'm gonna show you step-by-step tutorial. I'm gonna go over to my laptop. I'll show you. Let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more such videos. We have a lot of cool free resources. The links are in description box below. We have the Zazzle resources, the Zazzle workbook planner that will going to help for your Zazzle shop. It's a PDF download. The links are in description box below. You could very well grab the Zazzle ebook if you're interested in getting an ebook and a guide, kind of like that. It's a small short ebook. You can very well check it out. If you're interested in the step-by-step tutorials, then I have a Zazzle beginner's kit with video tutorials, so you can watch and you can check it out. All the links are in description box below. You can very well check it out for yourself and you can grab it when you prefer. But anyways, I'll show you how to do the research on Zazzle and how to come up with the new ideas for your products or the new niche ideas, product ideas, whatever you call it. Let's dive into my laptop. Currently we are on Zazzle, as you can see very well. I've actually signed into there. Now showing how to actually do the research for the latest products that Zazzle is launching on their platform, because I think that the new product isn't that competitive in comparison to the older products which have already been selling on the platform. So if you really want to dive into and utilize the power of the new products to bring in the sales that you're looking for as a new seller, as a new designer, or maybe if you're selling for a while and you want a little bit more increase in your sales or boost in your shop, then this is something you really need to look into, the new products. People often miss out the new products because they think that it's not that important, but we're gonna do that stuff over here. So just scroll down on your home page and you're gonna see the new on Zazzle. Okay, now at the time of filming this video, you can see the new products are wax seals, area rugs, Bluetooth speakers, and desk mats. You can pick up a single product or you can go deep dive into the multiple different products and see the way you would like to. We're gonna do the research for first the wax seal stamps, because I'm also looking to target this particular product since it's a new product on the market, plus not many people are targeting it. So you can see these are the designs that are there. So right now it's only 4,628 search results at the time of filming this video. Obviously in the future it will going to rise up. People will be uploading more products in the wax seal stamps or wax seals, whatever you call it. So if you are looking forward to actually utilize this new product, which is not that competitive, you can see the search results is only this much. Maybe it would increase when you're going to watch this video, but again there is a space over here to utilize this new product and to bring in the sales as a new seller or whatever you would like to. So we're going to take a look at the designs that are already there and get an inspiration idea from them. So these are the niches or ideas that you can hop on: the chic, the formal, wedding, simple, initials, ampersand, script. Like you can utilize these of them, or you can just check them out selected by the editors what exactly it is. So we're going to take a look at the few designs over here. I'm going to take a look at this one, the wedding wax seal, because wedding is kind of like a hot niche, an evergreen niche all throughout the year. And if you're targeting one, then please make sure you do check it out. Now you can see it's an Anderson, it's the A in written. And if you want to see how the people are utilizing or how the people are editing the wax seal, what you have to do, just go over to the option, the personalize. Okay, go over to the edit using the design tool, and now you're going to take a look at how this designer has edited this particular design. So we're going to be taking a look at that. So you could see she's actually used the couple of the text over here. So this is the you're seeing the initials over here, and then you're seeing this in the initial letters, the capital letters, and then you're going to see the red. Now the red is kind of like an invisible. Maybe if I change the color of the red, if I take it as a white, still it's invisible, kind of like you're getting the two options if you're uploading the image over here, since it's an SVG file. So if I change it to the, okay, so now it's visible. Okay, so it's in the black, you can see the red. So the same thing you could do while designing the wax seal stamps. You can upload the file as an SVG file, or you can have the simple text as well. It depends on you. So that was the one idea that we can take an inspiration idea from the products that already people are selling over here. The another thing that we could do is take a look at this one. Like you can see, this is just a simple monogram. Okay, nothing more complicated designs, or very simple designs that people are using for uploading on a wax seals or wax seal stamps. You can see this is just a simple initial. That's it. The line is there and the initials are there. You can see that this is a little bit different over here. This is a floral one. So we're going to take a look at this one too. And how to utilize them. If I'm going to click over to the personalize, I'm going to go over to the edit using design tool. So you can see this is again an SVG file. You can convert the PNG into the SVG files, or you can directly upload the SVG files, or you can upload the PNG files. The idea behind the SVG file is that SVG files, if you minimize it, maximize it, or if you zoom in, the remains the same. It remains the high quality design. But if you're actually minimizing and maximizing the JPEG file format or PNG file format, you might see there is not that good quality of the design, or you see the distortions in the design. That's why the people go with the SVG file. But if you don't want to go with the text, leave the text behind, but you can see the initials over here is the floral. Simple. Very simple, very basic designs that you could see on the wax seal stamps. It's a new product, guys. If you're looking forward to boost up your sales, make sure you do utilize it. You can see that's a simple leaf and the initials are there. Again, the initials are there. This is the one the people are using for wedding. You could have for business, you could have for maybe a birthdays or maybe a special events or occasion. The people could use it to make it a little bit more fancy, or a little bit more vintage, depending on what specific purpose they are using it. But here they have used the butterflies. You can have heart. You can be more creative and you can just go on and upload the design in this particular product. So that's the first product. We're going to take a look at the second product, that is the area rugs. If you don't want to design the wax seal stamps, then we have the second product, that's the area rug. So this is the area rug, so you can use in outdoor or indoor, it depends. Now again, you get the niches and the keywords or the designs, whatever we call it. This is a tribal, boho, pattern, nursery, pink, floral, or flowers, whatever it is. This is just a rough idea. You can see the search results, only 7,082 search results at the time of filming this video. Obviously it will going to increase with time, but you get the point. There is not that competition when a new product comes up. Like you can see in a couple of weeks, only the few products people have uploaded. So if you are a newbie and if you are the newcomer in a new product, you are getting the chance to actually increase your sales or get the more sales in the beginning as a new designer. So that's the thing you could see. Not much competition is there, and very simple basic pattern designs you could see over here. This is just a simple flower design. This is just a simple geometric design, some mandala designs. Again, you get the point over here. The initials, the monogram, the interior designs. Like you can be more creative. This is kind of like a farmhouse style. You could have a farmhouse or vintage style. This is the animal. You can scroll down depending on whichever one you would choose, you would like to choose. You can very well go ahead. You could see this design and how it's actually looking over here. This is another simple text-based design. This is art, an abstract rug. If you're not an artist, you can skip that. You can have a simple text-based designs. But this is a cocktail bar. If it's area rug for cocktails, this is a pool table. Some are related to sports, some are just the initials, some are just the patterns. Like not that much competition is there, guys, and this is the best time to utilize it because it will going to increase with time. This is simple. The name is there. That's it. Nothing more fancy, nothing more stuff. This is also the name is there. We're gonna move over to the next product that we have is the Bluetooth speaker. Now Bluetooth speaker has been launched, I guess, in the July or June, something like that. So but still you can see only 5,544 search results. That means still not that competitive. Not many people are utilizing it, and I think that Bluetooth speaker kind of like a $36 above $10 product, so you could expect to get the sales or you could expect to make more royalties. Plus I think that it's actually having a sale right now, so that's why 15% off. But again, you could have a simple business Bluetooth speaker. I mean, you could be more creative. The people could use a Bluetooth speaker at their homes, in the parties, in the bars, in the beaches, in the clubs, and depending on that you could use it. Like you can simple American flag, the simple lemon. This is kind of like a tropic like a beachy style vibe or something like that. Then you can take a look at this one. This is related to the wedding. I mean, obviously in the wedding parties, the Bluetooth speaker gonna be a common one over there. The next thing, you just scroll down. The very simple and basic ones like the initials or the names, or if it's some kind of like a sports event or something like that, again you could use it. This is a simple animal, a simple rainbow, So these are the bunch of the designs ideas, and I can see there is not that much competition because it's just a new product, and that's the beauty of going with a new product. Not that much competition, and this one I love the most because you can have a different pianos or different musical instruments, and you could play around with that. Last one I'm going to cover is the desk mats. Now desk mats has been a while on the platform, but still I can see, let's take a look at the search results. 10,085 search results. Again, not that competitive. Above 10,000 a little bit. We used to target the niches below 2,000, below 3,000, but or even below 5,000 or 10,000. Again, it depends, but still not that much competition. Desk mats has been launched, I think, 2 or 3 months before, so that's why many people have utilized it. But again, you get the idea is here. The teacher, the watercolor pattern, trendy, back to school logo, and simple. So if I scroll down, you can see a lot of the different ideas. Simple business logo niche, the earth niche, the planet niche. This is a kind of like a gradient, pastel gradient, or you can see as the photo gives ideas. That could be the one, or the simple name one, or the animal, or the flowers and the monograms. Like, you get my point, how to actually utilize it. And this is a one with a floral pattern. You can just scroll down, you can take a look at the new products, how much competition is there or how little the competition is there, what are the different niches, keywords, tags, title that you could utilize. In the Bluetooth, we didn't take a look at the niches because there is no, but that's okay. You can look at the products and you can still get the idea from that. So we take a look at the 4 different products on Zazzle that are new on Zazzle. Wax seals and area rugs have been launched in August only, but Bluetooth speaker has been a while. I think they have been launched in June or July. Desk mats have been launched, I think, in the it's been there in the April or May, if I'm right. But you see that there is a huge market in the new products. So as being a new seller, or even if you are been selling on a platform for a while and you're looking for the sales boost, or you're looking for a big hype or something like that, please utilize the products that are underrated or new on the platform. And you can see the Zazzle is actually featuring the new products on the very first home page. Usually the first home page on the marketplaces are very juicy because they're gonna put their good highlights, new highlights, trending highlights, the things that are already been selling on the platform, or something new on the homepage, so people take a look at that and go and purchase that. And since you can see these 4 products are new on the platform and they're very first on the homepage, you can utilize it. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you want more such videos, or any video request if you have? It's really welcome, guys. I'm collecting the video ideas. If you have any questions or anything related to Zazzle, anything related to making money as online as a creative person, let me know in the comment section below. I'll consider for my next videos. But that's it for this video. Hopefully you find useful. I'll see you the next time. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.